Determining the pH of different solution. Click to play the following video and observe how to determine the pH of different solutions.
Apparatus and chemicals: ethanoic acid, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonia solution, universal indicator in a drop-up bottle, standard pH. As given on the universal pH chart to determine the pH values.
From the above experiment, we can say that hydrochloric is strong because the pH of the solution is found to be in the range of 1 to 3, while ethanoic acid is a weak acid since the pH range is between 4 to 6. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base since the pH range is between 11 to 14, while ammonia solution is a weak base as the pH range is 8 to 9.
Hi guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.